This is Scotland's national animal, the unicorn, a symbol of purity and strength deeply rooted in the nation's heritage. Throughout the medieval period, the unicorn frequently appears on royal coats of arms, tapestries and banners, signifying power and nobility. Legend tells us that the unicorn embodies the very spirit of Scotland, an untamable yet noble creature that captivates the imagination. History texts from the 15th century describe the unicorn as a majestic beast with a spiralled horn and a mythical presence that inspires awe. King James VI of Scotland famously adopted the unicorn as a symbol of the kingdom's sovereignty, further cementing its importance. Artisans of the time captured the unicorn's image in detailed wood carvings and illuminating manuscripts, elevating its mythical stature. Though mythical, the unicorn's image influenced craftsmanship and military insignia, symbolising the resilience of the Scottish people. Today, the unicorn remains a powerful emblem, appearing on flags, statues and cultural events across Scotland.